Can I use milk instead of half and half in the whipped cream recipe?
Hello, and welcome to our kitchen science exploration. Today, we're tackling a common question. Can I use milk instead of half and half in a whipped cream recipe? We'll examine the implications of using milk as a substitute and how it can affect your final product.
What is half and half, and why is it used in whipped cream?
Half and half, as the name suggests, is a dairy product that's made up of half milk and half cream. The cream brings a high fat content, around 12%, which is what allows it to whip well and hold its shape. This gives whipped cream its delightful fluffy texture. When you whip cream, you're essentially agitating the fat molecules to create pockets of air. The more fat in your dairy, the more stable these pockets will be. That's why half and half is a popular choice for homemade whipped cream.
Can you use milk instead?
Yes, you can use milk as a substitute in a whipped cream recipe. However, there's a catch. Milk, especially lower fat varieties, does not contain as much fat as half and half or cream. This means it may not whip as well or hold its shape for as long. You might end up with a less voluminous, less stable product that deflates relatively quickly. If you're looking to substitute milk for half and half, it's recommended to use whole milk, which has a higher fat content than other milk varieties.
How can I improve milk whipped cream?
If you're committed to using milk, there are a couple of tricks to improve the end result. 1. Use a stabilizer. Ingredients like powdered sugar or gelatin can help stabilize the whipped cream, allowing it to hold its shape better. 2. Chill everything. The colder your ingredients and equipment, the better the results. Chilling slows down the movement of the fat molecules, allowing them to whip up and trap more air. Remember, while you may not get the exact texture of traditional whipped cream with milk, you can still achieve a delicious, light topping for your desserts. So, the verdict? While you can use milk instead of half and half in your whipped cream recipe, be aware that it won't whip up as thickly or maintain its shape as long due to the lower fat content. But don't let this discourage you. With a bit of creativity and a few tricks, you can whip up a treat that's absolutely delightful. Happy baking, and remember, every recipe is an experiment waiting to be tasted.